I'm so bored. Can't believe it.
Yeah, same, bro.
Hey, Square, what does that advertisement say?
Hello.
Yo, I'm gonna go get McDonald's, which is basically like a ripoff of McDonald's, but who cares? They're technically the same thing. Anyway, I'm out. Bye. Can I have a Big Mac? Okay, coming right up. Breaking news, and yes, it's me from the Silk 5, but who cares? We have extremely bad weather, and there might be a tornado, either an F2 or an F3. Let's just hope it doesn't have an F3, and the chances are very high of a tornado happening, but the chances are also very low of a tornado. Yeah, that's it for, I don't even know what to call this channel, but anyway, bye. The stats just got updated, and it's not an F2 or an F3. It's actually even worse. It's an F4. Everyone, please seek shelter. This tornado will hit town, so please seek shelter. And goodbye, fellow Robloxia citizens. Guys, we gotta get out of here. Don't worry, we'll be safe. You think? Guys, now's not the time to argue. Why? What's the matter? Also, guys, I forgot to mention that my friend Tyler also made some fan art for the show. So yeah, shout out to him. It looks pretty nice with Pentagon and Rhombus. So yeah. Also, hope you enjoyed the episode. Yeah. Support him. His channel is Tata Darts, and he is the voice actor of Rhombus. So yeah, that's what I want to say. Bye, guys.